how to buy Trust Me Bros by Virtual token. So this token came under the symbol of trust. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL accounts and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address came under the Base network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now go to your wallet, select the Base as a network. Now click on plus here, paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token, but before that, make sure to read that alert here or that warning. And if you are ready to go, now you can click on confirm and click on this plus to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your account, find your token, sorry, that you just added. So this is our token, click on it. After that, click on swap here, switch it from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC. But make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy. Now here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. So this is it. Now click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Trust token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.